Okay, so can you guys see that? Is it big enough? Okay. So today we're gonna do like a little walkthrough of how to add different levels to our game. We're gonna change the controls. PJ, can you close that? And yep. You okay?
No.
Okay. What's up? Okay. Okay. You want to go check to see if they're open now? You can if you want. Yeah. Right. Okay. So we're going to add different levels to our game, and we're going to learn how to change the controls to characters instead of numbers. So right now we were using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to move the character around. We're going to add a quick command, and we're going to give our battles a little bit more realism, so that it's not just a 50-50 draw, and that there's actually like something like hit points involved, meaning like the monster attacks you and you lose some hit points. You attack the monster and maybe it dies. Okay? Say that one again.
Is it fine if I don't do the score part of it, the code, because I'm falling quite behind?
Well, why don't we talk about that after we do this little walkthrough, okay? Okay, so for different levels. So I want you to imagine like players moving around here and there's something like a door that they go into. I don't mean like levels like level 1, level 2, like you finish a level. I mean like different levels like a floor plan. So imagine this map here that's on your right, and there's a door somewhere in there. We'll symbolize it with the letter D or something like that. And when the player goes into the door, it transports them into another map. It's pretty straightforward to do, and I'll walk you through how to do it. So I've already done this once today. So basically, we're going to take what we had, which was this one level, and that's part of a two-dimensional array, right? So it's got an X and a Y. Well, we can actually add a third dimension to it. And for now, we can just say that we'll add this dimension and we'll call it levels. And we'll use a pound define to say that levels, and we'll make it 2 to make it easy. So there's going to be 2 levels to our map. And what we can do is, in the array, this whole map here is going to be the first element. Oops. And then I've created a second one that looks like this. So now the arrays kind of next, or one and above the other, would look like this. Can I fit them? Yeah. So here's level 1, and here's level 2. Or actually, more realistically, this is level 0, and this is level 1. Okay, so I can add those as comments even. This is going to be level 0. And copy this. And this is going to be level 1. And of course, we want to put in here somewhere some sort of door that allows the player to go between one level and another. So, I don't know, we'll put it here. There's the door to get to the other level, and then in this one, we could put it almost in the same spot. Okay? Now, so now we have both maps in there, but we need to change all of the references to the map array so that it has a number at the beginning. So it's going to be not just X and Y, it's going to be level, then X and Y. Okay? And we can do that by starting out at level 0. So we create an integer variable that starts off at 0. And then every time we do anything with the map, we want to have it not just be two dimensions, but we have to add that third dimension in there. And we're going to just put the variable level in it, so that in this case it would print out level 0, and then the Y, and then the X. Find other references to map. Okay, here's one. Here's one. There's one. So I'm just going through and I'm making sure that map has 3 dimensions for each every time it gets referenced. Just changing all of these. Okay. So now what I have is this world with a door in it, and it's got this other level. Now, I didn't put in any of the code to actually use that second level, but, whoops, error generated undeclared identifier, levels, did I not define? Oh, that should say levels. So now I can run my program, and there it is with the door. So I know that this updated map is in there. Now if I changed my starting level to be level 1, and I kill this, and then rerun it, it shows the new map, the level 1 map, okay? But I don't want to actually start at level 1. So I'm going to change this back. So now we have at least the groundwork for that second level. So the idea is that when the player moves into a spot where there's a door, it changes from either level 0 to level 1 or from level 1 to level 0. That's going to happen in the movement portion of this. That's where we coded how the player moves around. It's going to be almost like checking to see if they moved into a door, into a wall, I mean. Okay, so let me make this a little wider and this one a little less wide. Don't need all that. Okay. So we'll do the basic one here. I'm going to copy this. Oh, the survey. Yeah, let me just pause this. Our recording here.